Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the cooling fan on Citroen Jumper Relay 2.2 HDI. The cooling fans and the AC condenser fans are located just behind the cooling radiator. They're located right there. One of them is the AC fan and the other one is the cooling fan. To get access to them, first we're going to remove this plastic air hose. It's held by two screws on the two sides. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video, I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Now that the two screws are removed, I'm going to pull out the air intake hose from the air filter housing. There is actually a bracket on it, but it doesn't hold it, you just need to pull it out. Now that the air intake hose is removed, we can see the other fan. They're both coming out together. On each fan there is an electrical connector that we need to disconnect. I'll show you the new cooling fans so that you know where they are exactly. Here is one of them, and on this fan and on the other fan it's this one right there. On the electrical connector there is a tab that you need to push out and then pull out the connector. I'm going underneath the car so that I can remove the two connectors. You can see this is the one right there. There is a tab on it. You need to pull out that tab and then pull out the connector. And the other one is the same way. There is actually a little bit less space there, but you'll get it eventually. Next I'll go on top of the car and I'll show you what's holding the two cooling fans in place. There's actually a plastic tab that you need to push in and then pull up the cooling fans. Here it is. You see now. I'll give you a better look. Here it is. You just need to push in that tab and then pull out the whole diffuser for the cooling fans. And on the other side is the same. To make it easier, you might want to get a screwdriver and push that tab with the screwdriver. Here you can see now on the other side, that's the tab right there. I'm going to push it with a screwdriver and then lift up the whole diffuser for the cooling fans. Here you can see how I pushed it in, and now you can lift up the cooling fans. Here you can see they came out of its place. Now they're separated on this side. Now I have to do it on the other side as well. Once we separate the cooling fans on both sides, I'm going to go underneath the car because the cooling fans are going to go down instead of up because there's no space on top. I'm going to take them from the bottom. Before removing the cooling fans though, I need to remove those air intake hoses that are connected to the intercooler so that I can get more space to take out the cooling fans. I'm going to take out this air intake hose and the other one as well. Once I remove the two air intake hoses, I just need to wiggle the cooling fans and they will come out eventually. And as the cooling fans out, now I'm going to replace them with the new ones. Now I'll show you a closer view of what I removed. Here it is. I removed this air intake hose on this side and on the other side as well. And that's how I made space to take out the cooling fans. That's the new cooling fans and that's the part number for them. Putting them on is in the exact reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.